How do YouTube sensations like Justin Bieber and Kid President get an actual business from producing content on YouTube? And the way that they do that is by getting people to watch their videos, by subscribing to them. So this video is going to help you to understand the subscription process within YouTube. So you're going to go to www.youtube.com. When you get there, go to the upper right where it says sign in, and sign into YouTube using your Google account because it's the same one. After you sign in, you'll notice that right up here it's going to have your Gmail account name, and that's where you want to be to start the subscription process. So when we subscribe, it means we're going to have content actually coming to us instead of us always having to go out and find content. And since this is the IMCAT conference, I'm going to focus on one of the Proclamation 2014 adoptions, which is science and technology applications. So let's say that I want to find content for chemistry about ionic bonding. So I could type in ionic bonds and look at the different videos that come up and find one that is very good, that maybe I want to see if that content provider on YouTube has any other videos related to chemistry. I happen to know this one well, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And when I click on it, of course, I would watch it and make sure it's good content and it follows what the teaks that I need to teach about ionic bonding. Very simply, I can click the word subscribe right here, and I would now have subscribed to this content provider, but I'm going to go a little bit further with you, so I'm not going to click subscribe quite yet. After looking at the video, if it's good, and I want to look at the channel to make sure that this content provider has good videos, I'm going to go down here where their picture is. In this case, it's the actual picture of Tyler DeWitt. I'm going to click on his name, which is his channel name. It's not always a person's name. It could be the business name instead. And I'm going to click on his videos and look at maybe 3 or 4 different videos to decide that this is authoritative content that I can use in the classroom. And once I've decided that it is, then I'm going to click the subscribe button. So just to review, let's do that again. We're also doing technology applications. So I happen to know of a good technology applications YouTube channel called GCF Learn Free. And when I do a search for that in YouTube, you'll notice I still see videos down here produced by that channel. But the very first listing in my search list is the actual channel, and it'll tell you right here that it is a channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that channel, and I want you to see the quality of this channel. When it appears, the first thing you're going to see is that they have an introduction video, which is always nice because it kind of gives you an overview of what is on that channel. Not every channel has that, but this one does in particular. And then they have various sections. Their playlist, they have it divided up by content, popular, and so forth, computer basics, which I really also like. Over here to the right, you'll see that they have a connection to their webpage, which I think is also very helpful. And then I can click subscribe. Now, since I've now subscribed to Tyler DeWitt's chemistry page and a GCF Learn Free, which has to do with technology applications like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and so forth, what happens to that content? Why is it important for me to do that? From this point forward, when I open YouTube, if any of these 2 that I just subscribed to produce new content, it'll automatically show it to me in my YouTube feed. Secondly, I can get notifications about new content being provided by them. So let me show you how that happens. Over here on the left panel, you'll see that I see a list of my subscriptions. So when I want to go back to Tyler DeWitt's chemistry videos, I can just click right here on Tyler DeWitt. I can also click right here on GCF Learn Free if I want to go back to the technology applications videos. If I want to get emails notifying me that they've produced new content, I can go to Manage Subscriptions. Notice here's all my subscriptions, and I can check them and then check that I want to receive the email notifications, or this is also where I can unsubscribe if I decide that their content is not worthy.